In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the exact alerts that I personally use on a day-to-day basis to generate profits with me with my day trading strategy. So let's just get straight into it. To go first off, usually in terms of alerts, what a lot of people like to do is they set alerts. If you guys don't know, there's a shortcut on TradingView, Control A on TradingView, and you can immediately open up the alert notification on wherever you want, and you can change values if you like to basically add alert, and even add alerts on indicators directly through here as well, which is pretty cool. Typically, what most people do is they add alert at POIs or zones, areas, wherever they're looking for like a potential reaction from and their entry model. That's how I would say majority of trading strategies are. So majority of trading strategies are, I'll look for this to happen, maybe some confluences, and I look for this entry confirmation. That is like probably, I'd say 90% of trading strategies are like that. So what it is you set alert, and some people set alert like this here, for example, maybe, and they wait for the alert to hit, and then they get on the chart. For me, I'm actively, for the most part, looking at the chart when I'm waiting for my setup, so I don't really need to set alerts at my specific zones, for example, unless I'm on the move or I'm going away somewhere. But typically on the move, I'm not really going to be trading on the move, depending on what I'm doing, right? Because obviously, data is important, and if you lose connection during a trade before you set your stop loss, it's kind of cooked. I'm not going to hold you, right? You don't want to be in a trade like that. That could end really bad, especially when you're trading high risk like me. It could end very, very bad. So usually I am sitting on my desk when I'm actively trading. You got to keep it professional, like a real job. That's the mindset you should have for trading. It's not a hobby. This is not a hobby. So you basically set alert. Most people set alert there, but I'm gonna show you guys the alerts I set. So if you go to alerts here, these are all alerts I set. These are all alerts that have already gone through. No, those are logged. These are alerts I set. So let me just, that one's already have. I have currently actually. I took a few trades right before recording this video, so that's the one I currently have. But nonetheless, here is previous day low swept, previous day high. So I basically have the previous day high and low levels as alerts for all the assets I'm trading. So if you're someone that trades 3 assets, you have previous day high and low alerts on every single asset that you're trading. The next alerts that I have is lunch session high and low.